Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you how to install the SIM card on A7 Ultra smartwatch. So as you know guys, the A7 Ultra smartwatch is the Android based smartwatch which helps you to successfully install the Nano SIM card on the A7 Ultra smartwatch. So in this video I want to show you the complete process which helps you to successfully install the SIM card and make a phone call using A7 Ultra smartwatch. So first thing, make sure you have turned on the smartwatch and make sure you have fully charged your smartwatch before you want to install the SIM card. So on starting, if you turn on your smartwatch, so here you notice that it shows that please insert the SIM, and here you see the little message, please insert the SIM card, clip up. And now if you see on a left side, so you notice that there is a SIM ejector option, and you notice that there is a little gap, and I want to show you how to open the SIM tray. So you need to simply use the SIM jacket. Here you need to simply put the SIM jacket on a little gap, and you need to simply push to the top side. So here you notice that I can easily open up the SIM tray. So after that you need to simply open up the SIM tray. So this is the Nano card supported SIM tray. So I want to use here the SIM card. So I want to use my Zong SIM card here, and you need to simply put the carefully SIM tray. And once you successfully install the SIM card, so now you need to simply once again reboot the smartwatch because it doesn't detect the SIM card, and you notice that at the top right side there is no any signal. So I want to first reboot the device. So it takes once again a little bit of time to successfully reboot the A7 Ultra smartwatch. So here you can see it shows the signal of the Zong, so you can notice that it detects my SIM card. So now let me show the network. So you need to simply swipe the finger to the left side. So here you find the settings, so simply tap on this one. So on network and internet connection, you notice that there is a new Zong network. So this is the mobile network, so you can see that I can easily access the SIM card here. So now I want to make a phone call, so you need to simply use the phone dialer. So I want to dial here 123 for example, and you notice that it shows the calling feature. So with the help of this process you can easily use the SIM card and install the SIM card on A7 Ultra, so you don't need to connect with the Bluetooth Android phone. So you can directly make a phone call by using your SIM card here. So in this way you can easily install the SIM card on an A7 Ultra smartwatch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.